Hey guys, welcome back. This is attorney Frank Menendez at TicketFit Traffic Ticket Defense. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can beat your Florida speeding ticket. Step 1 is always contest a speeding ticket. When you get a speeding ticket in Florida, you have 30 days to answer it by selecting one of the following 3 options. You can pay it, you can elect traffic school, or you can request a court date. While option 1 and 2 may seem enticing, if you actually want to get your speeding ticket dismissed, you should always request a court date. Step 2 is prepare for your pretrial hearing. There's a misconception that the only way a speeding ticket can get dismissed in Florida is if the officer doesn't show up. And while an officer not showing up for court can certainly get your case dismissed, it's not the only way. In Florida, you get 2 opportunities to get your speeding ticket dismissed: at a pretrial hearing and at a trial. And while the officer is not required to attend the pretrial hearing, I usually get a lot of speeding tickets dismissed at this hearing. How? Preparation. See, a speeding ticket attorney like myself is going to review the ticket. I'm going to look for errors, omissions, maybe the driver license is wrong, maybe the statute of the law that's referenced is wrong. There may be some sort of discrepancy and I'm going to let the judge know. So if you're going to attend the pretrial hearing, make sure you prepare. And if you find any errors, any discrepancies, let the judge know. Now, if you cannot get your speeding ticket dismissed at this pretrial, keep watching. Step 3 is don't accept any deals at pretrial. I just told you Florida is going to give you 2 chances to get your case dismissed. And this is where a good speeding ticket attorney like myself comes in handy. If I can't get the case dismissed at pretrial, I'm not just going to close out the case and accept the deal. I'm going to go ahead and request that trial. So you should do the same thing. And number 4 is prepare for trial. While you're waiting for your trial date, you should continue preparing. And one area you should focus on the ticket is the statute that the officer claims you violated. The statute is basically the law, so do your research. Find out what the officer needs to establish in order for them to be able to uphold that ticket. For example, what if your speeding was temporary? See, under Florida law, you are allowed to speed if it's to avoid a crash or avoid an object or a person. So if you can establish that your speeding was only temporary, you may end up getting your traffic ticket dismissed. While you can certainly get your Florida speeding ticket dismissed with the steps I just gave you, I do recommend you contact a speeding ticket attorney like myself for help. I do have the experience necessary to find those errors and omissions at pretrial, set the case for trial if necessary, and have a good defense. Feel free to give me a call, 305-775-3720. It's a free consultation. Otherwise, go kick ass.